Sit down nicely. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show my rosh kadam mishti. The recipe is coming soon, but I'm gonna show you the whole rosh kadam. So let's see. So when we open it, there's a mishti. And outside there's a mishti layer, and up top there could be sugar pulse or sprinkles. We use white sprinkles, so yeah. It's so yummy, you must try it. But guys, do not eat it when it's warm because it doesn't taste really nice when it's warm. So yeah. First you have to make your favorite mishti. Then you'll need to make the top bit layer. I'll show you the video, and then you add the sugar pulse. So easy.